So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to type your name on cursive handwriting on a website. So let's get it started. And see, this is the homepage of your Google Chrome. Now you should have to tap on search icon which is available on the top bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Then type here cursive handwriting. So I'm tapping here, then scroll down below. Then you will see the website link. So tap on it. Now see, this is the website link and you should have to tap on type something or paste some text icon. Now type here your name. So I'm tapping like this, then enter, then scroll down and you will see here many options about your name. So I am seeing this name is beautiful, so I'm tapping here. Now see, this name has successfully copied on my clipboard, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.